Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down your rights during a California traffic stop, what you have to provide, what you don't have to provide, and how to avoid giving police any words they can use against you. Before we begin, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss another important civil rights breakdown. When an officer pulls you over in California, they must have reasonable suspicion, meaning specific, articulable facts that you committed a violation to make that stop. Here's what you legally must provide during a stop. Driver's license. California does not have a general stop and identify law, but if you are driving, you must present your valid license when asked. Vehicle registration, yes, you must present it. Proof of insurance, also required by law. Anything beyond that, like your address, birthplace, or explanations, is not required and can be used against you. Tip: say, I'm providing my license, registration, and insurance. That's all I'm required to provide. Yes, if the officer orders you out of the vehicle, you must comply. Supreme Court rulings allow police to order drivers and passengers to exit for officer safety. Do not resist or argue. Refusal can lead to an arrest even if you're right. Should you roll up windows or lock the doors before stepping out? There's no legal obligation, but rolling up windows helps reduce ambiguous claims like smelling weed, which courts sometimes use as probable cause for a search. If you lock your car after exiting, keep calm. It's normal to secure your property. If the officer tells you where to stand or sit, do it. Compliance looks good on video and prevents side arguments that escalate a traffic stop. Ever wonder why? Police document these interactions, and any refusal can be spun into resistance or noncompliance. This is one of the most important questions you can ask. Am I being detained? If the officer says yes, ask, really? Why? If the officer says no, you can go. You have a constitutional right to ask this. You should know whether you're legally held or free to go. Legal term: R.A.S equals reasonable articulable suspicion. Here's how it fits in. A traffic violation is R.A.S for the initial stop because the officer needs something to justify pulling you over. But here's the conservative twist. Once the traffic violation is dealt with, that violation alone does not justify prolonging the stop without new R.A.S. This principle comes from U.S. Supreme Court decisions like Rodriguez versus United States, where the court held that extending a stop beyond its original mission without new R.A.S. is unconstitutional. Brendlin versus California, Supreme Court held that all passengers are seized during a traffic stop, meaning they also have Fourth Amendment rights. Berkemer v. McCarty, Supreme Court recognized that stops can be investigative detentions and that you have rights during them, including the right to remain silent. If you want deeper police interaction breakdowns, check out channels like Lackluster, Audit the Audit, Long Island Audit, and The Civil Rights Attorney, great analysis and real-world encounters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.